Now I'm going to tell ChatGPT to make me a map with shapefiles without using GIS apps like ArcGIS, QGIS. For example, here I have my shapefiles. I select all, right click, and compress these files. Now in ChatGPT, I activate Code Interpreter. Now I upload the zip file with my shapefiles. Open. I tell ChatGPT that I want to make me a tourist map of Ecuador. This is the place. And classify the points by type and show me a legend. Please show me a map. And I send the message. Now it's working and zip the files. It's very nice. It show me the map. Also, ChatGPT read the field names of each layer. For example, in this case, work with type or tipo in Spanish and show me a map. It's very nice. Now I want that show me also the geographic coordinates. And I say, please show me the coordinates. And I send. It's very nice. Now show me the coordinates, latitude and longitude, but also I want the names of the province. Also, I want the name of the province. Now is finding what is the field that contain the names. We can see like find this field that contain the province names. Now it's perfect. As you can see, ChatGPT create the map without using a GIS program. For example, QGIS or ArcGIS. Also, I can request the code. For example, if I want to run this code in my local computer, I send. Now it's generating the Python code to run in my local computer. Now it's ready. We need to stay sure that we have installed these libraries like GeoPandas and Matplotlib. Also, I can download this file, right click, save image, map. Here I have the map. I open. Very nice. If you like it, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for your attention.